Good day everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to download EROS Visible Infrared Imaging Radiometer Suite NDVI from USGS Earth Explorer for the whole of Africa or for any region of your interest. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. But USGS Aero Archives is for monitoring vegetation, and it uses Visible Infrared Imaging Radiometer Suite. The Earth Resource Observation and Science Center Visible Infrared Imaging Radiometer Suite collection is based on SWOMI National Polar Orbiting Partnership. So you can take your time and read about this program here. However, let me show you something down here. The EROS Visible Infrared Imaging Radiometer Suite Normalized Difference Vegetation Index collection uses the Visible Infrared Imaging Radiometer Suite. So you can take your time and go through a lot of information about this data set and the program. You can read about the composite building process. You can read it here about composite building process, the composite calculation. You can take your time and read it here. So also the acquisition band, you can read about it here. The acquisition text file, you can also read it here, even the metadata. So but to download it, open your browser and open a new tab. Then search for earthexplorer.usgs.gov and hit the enter key. So when it opens, make sure you are logging into your account. Then you can equally change the base map here. Let's change the base map. Then to download data, come to search criteria and select the geocoder method. I want address. So I'll just search for any place in Africa. Let's say Awash River in Ethiopia. So Awash River, and then I'll click on show. Then scroll down, you can see Awash River in Ethiopia. So I'll click on it, it will take me there. Here is location of Awash River. And if I zoom out, you can see Africa map. And since I want to download for Africa, I'll come down here and specify the date range. Let's say 1st January 2025. I want to download specifically for 2026, but I can search and give a range. Let's say January 1st 2025, then to, let's say, January 1st 2026. Then after entering the dates, click on data sets. So when you open data set, scroll down and come to vegetation monitoring. Click to expand it. Then scroll down and come to the bottom. You can see eVIIRS NDVI. So check it. After checking it, click on additional criteria. Click on it and then scroll up, and area of interest. Click here to expand it. Instead of all, click on the drop down and select Africa or any region of your interest. So I want Africa, I'll select Africa. Then come to results and click on results. This will search for available results. Yes, you can see the available data here. So you can see the date range, the end date and the starting date. And this particular first one is for 2026. Then if I scroll down, you can see the one for 2025 also available here. However, I'm interested in 2026. So let me click to be sure that it covers the whole of Africa. You can see that it covers the whole of Africa. So you can actually download for any region of your choice. So to download, click on download option. It will load the download option just like this. And you can see the size. Then to download, click on download. When you click on download, the download should start automatically. Yes, you can see the download is ongoing. So just few minutes it will be downloaded depending on the strength of your network. I can close this, and then after downloading, I can open it in any GIS software to visualize it. So let's visualize it in GIS software. So after downloading, here is the file. So right click and extract it here. This will take few seconds to extract the files. Yes, the extraction is done. If you look here, we have about 6 files, and we have the files that are in TIF, and then we have file in JPEG. So let's load the TIF and JPEG and visualize it in any GIS software. For example, let's open ArcGIS, and then let's bring in those files. To do that, click on Add Data. Navigate to the folder. I want to bring in this TIF file, this one, and the JPEG. So click on Add. This will take few seconds to create parameter for the raster and display it on the GIS environment. Click on OK, and here you can see the files. Now here is the JPEG file of the NDVI for the whole of Africa. If I zoom in, and I can pick palm and palm it up and down. So this is the JPEG. Now for the TIF, let me zoom this to layer. Here, if you look at the top here, you can see another map being displayed here. That is the TIF. Let me uncheck this, and then for example, this very first one, let me zoom it to layer. Here is it. I can change the color scheme or color ramp to this color and invert it. Click on OK. So you can see the NDVI map of the whole of Africa. However, you may still need to do some calculation, but essentially this is how to download and visualize the NDVI data for the whole of Africa. So this is how it looks like, both in JPEG and in TIF formats. So if you have any questions, let's know in the comment section. For instance, if you look at the value are looking so strange. So let's know your view in the comment section. Looking at this value, this raster value ranging in 1000. Let's know your view or your opinion about this value. How do we go about it in the comment section? Thank you for watching.